I've been using the Tecno Camon 50 Pro for a bit now, and honestly, this might be one of the most interesting mid-range phones this year. I wouldn't say it's perfect, but definitely it's interesting. But of course, just a review is not enough to ascertain whether this phone lives up to its hype. So today, I'm going to take this phone with me, test it out, and see if it lives up to the hype. So, welcome to a day in my life, the Tecno Camon 50 Pro. Let's get in. Today started a little rough. It's the weekend and I had a program to attend later in the day. And there, I woke up late, like late. So first thing, straight into survival mode, laundry. Now, while the clothes were spinning, I thought, why not test one of the features Tecno keeps talking about? Water resistance. This phone comes with an IP68 and IP69K rating. So for water, dust, you don't really have a problem. So if you are someone who really works around water a lot, you don't really have to worry because Tecno has got you. So I picked up this bucket and then I decided to do the testing. And interestingly, it held up really well. I also tested one of the interesting features, the aqua mode feature, where you're able to take videos, pictures underwater. And as you say, it came out pretty well. This is how it turned out.
Woke up today, smile on my face, may not go my way, still got my face, so I'll be okay.
Now, like I mentioned earlier, I didn't wake up early and time was already gone. So I got a quick light breakfast, showered, and then got ready to move out.
I'll be okay. I'll be okay. I'll be okay.
Alright, so it's currently 1:09 and I'm about to step out for a program. So I'm taking this phone along. I haven't really used it a lot since morning because I was just doing cleaning and washing. I was literally just playing music with it. It was 100% when I woke up and now it's 96%, right? So I'm going to take it with me. I'm going to check up a couple of things, check social media, make some calls and see how the battery lasts. The battery in this one is amazing. The battery 6150 milliampere. It's crazy. So it's no news that I've been playing music and only 4% deducted. So come with me, let's see how this performs on the road. Let's go.
Got the flowers behind your back, it's the thought that counts. You don't wanna blow smoke, but I don't want that crown. Nothing noble about going for it, still do it all for us. Since day one, in the squad I trust. I don't want them to look up to me, need to see the bros out of eye.
So I attended the Forex training program, which was held by my guy, Dela, which was held at Lancaster, Kumasi. And this is where things really started getting interesting because I really wanted to test these cameras at different places. So here was a good start point. Inside the program room, lighting wasn't the very best, but it still had out. So I switched up between lenses, tried the 3x zoom, and yeah, it's actually pretty versatile for the price range.
Some will hate you, some will love you. Gotta know the truth from what they talking about. Long as I'm getting paid and still making my mama proud. I'm good forever, can't get to me, no I wouldn't let them. If I need opinions, I look in the mirror, I look to heaven. Cause face to face with them, not a sound. So what do they say about you when you
Now that the program is done, it's time for food. So I linked up with my guy, Stefano, and we grabbed lunch.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, 다들 하지 뻔한 이야기, her brain fried. My lady Papa Zenny had her.
Throughout the morning, I'd been on the move, so I'd not really had time to scroll or go through apps or social media. So this session was a bit chill, but low-key, it was also a test session because I had time to scroll through apps, which was smooth. Switching between apps, you have no lags. There's something about the Tecno Camon 50 Pro, the display. It's bright enough and the colors are very popping. Though we weren't under the direct sunlight, but the place was bright enough. The brightness on the phone really came through. Also, the display was amazing. If you are someone like me who can't go through the eating process without watching something, this might come in handy because watching YouTube videos or any other videos on this phone, even at bright locations like this, it's so on point and you don't really have to worry. But of course, you have to test the cameras again, and this time good shots. So here are some of the shots. Let me know what you think, and let's see if you can distinguish between which is which lens, and especially the 3x zoom. If you're able to identify, leave your comments in the comment section.
Never sleep on me. Eyes on my chain, sugar 너의 go get her what you're looking at. Fool 너의 눈 허리 멍청했고 find your comfort from another, yeah. I go low like undercover, yeah. Wanna know my name, 죽지 않은 일은 위에 부어버려 이름, yes, you can even guess me.
We also did a quick video test to test the video quality and audio quality from this phone, and here's the results.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Push and pull and one and then
Now, one thing that surprises me is the stabilization and the audio too. It's actually usable straight out of the phone, which is not something you always get at this price point.
Alright, quick update. So it's currently 6:22. Alright, and we are still at, guys, check something here, 83%. This battery is crazy. I've been watching YouTube videos, I've been scrolling social media, replying to messages and all, and still it's 82%. Just imagine the battery life on this Tecno Camon 50 Pro is amazing. And I'm currently with Bossman.
Yes, sir.
So we're about doing some edits and check a couple of things, and I'll try to see. Chelsea is currently playing. I'll try and see if I can watch it over here. You see, this guy is laughing at me. We are they are leading us by 1 now. Hey, this team. Alright, so I'll catch you up. I'll catch up with you.
Afterwards, we had a quick job to finish, so we pulled up at Steve's. Honestly, over here, I couldn't do a lot because I was more focused on the laptop and edits that I was doing, but it held up pretty fine. And the battery life, I'm going to talk about it later in this video, but the battery life here shocked me, honestly. In as much as I wasn't really pressing this phone almost the whole day, I had the hotspot on for most of the time, and the battery life really held up great time. I'll talk more about this at the end of this video. Now, the day had almost come to an end and I needed to head back home. And I think this is where the Camon 50 Pro really tried to flex me. The night mode. These cameras really flex during the nighttime when it sees street light, low light, and random moving cars. So I just had to test the cameras at night. One thing I realized, the AI flare removal, it's a bit subtle, but it cleans up those annoying light streaks or light flares all over your pictures, which is amazing for me because from someone coming from phones that would keep these light flares, this is really a big changer for me. The night shots came out better than I expected. These are some sample shots. Let me know what you think.
Hey guys, I just go back to the house. It's currently 10:05. All right, yeah. And I just go back to the house. Um, I don't know the exact word to use for. I'm tired. I'm very tired, but I'm doing all these shoots, doing all these rounds, a lot of things that I couldn't even record because I was tired, man. But I tried. So far we have 80. Nah, this battery is something else, honestly. But I must mention that I didn't have my mobile data on. I had only, okay, I didn't have Bluetooth on, and it was only the Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi was on, and just checking socials, responding to messages, and all those things. Right. I I didn't really use it heavily as gaming or doing all those stuff. Just listening to music, going on socials and all. That is what I basically did with this phone today and every other thing that you saw in this video. But so far so good. I must say that I'm very impressed. The cameras, the battery, this phone, Tecno really stepped out for this phone. But what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments. I have a shot to finish before I sleep. I must post that video before I sleep. And if you don't follow me on TikTok, Instagram, you follow me on there as well. So I'm just quickly going to do that whilst I check for how much of the battery will be left by the time I finally decide to go to bed. So I'll catch you on that one.
Is it the overall best phone out there? Definitely no. But for what it offers and how it fits into a real day like this, it's actually a very solid option. So yeah, that's been a day in my life with the Tecno Camon 50 Pro. Let me know what you think. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. It's Innocent here and bye.